Hello kids. Today we are going to practice how to write the uppercase letter of the alphabet, and we'll start with the letter A.
Oh wow!
Writing this letter is very simple. There are main 3 steps to get done. Just follow me fast. We'll start at the top and draw a painting line down to the left. Then back on the top, try slanting line down to the right. To finish, draw a straight line cross in the middle. It's easy, right? Yeah, okay kids. Why we learned some words that begin with the letter fantastic. A for apple. Airplane. Ant. Arrow.